Welcome to this video on how teachers can benefit from AI. In this video, we will explore the ways in which AI can enhance teaching and learning. AI can help teachers personalize learning, provide real-time feedback, and automate administrative tasks. This can save time and improve student outcomes. AI can help teachers personalize learning by providing individualized learning paths for each student based on their strengths and weaknesses. It can also provide real-time feedback to students, allowing them to improve their work as they go. Additionally, AI can automate administrative tasks such as grading, freeing up time for teachers to focus on teaching. AI can also help teachers identify students who are struggling and provide targeted interventions to help them catch up. This can improve student outcomes and reduce the achievement gap. There are many AI tools available for teachers, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and adaptive learning platforms. These tools can help teachers save time, improve student engagement, and provide personalized learning experiences. Chatbots can help students get quick answers to their questions, while virtual assistants can help teachers manage administrative tasks such as scheduling and grading. Adaptive learning platforms can provide personalized learning experiences for each student, allowing them to learn at their own pace. By using AI tools, teachers can save time on administrative tasks and focus on teaching. They can also provide personalized learning experiences for each student, improving student engagement and outcomes. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize education by enhancing teaching and learning. By using AI tools, teachers can save time, improve student outcomes, and provide personalized learning experiences.